Now, let's shift gears a little bit here. We talked about AI Factory. We talked about Cisco's certified platform. Let's go ahead and talk about Gruve's PulseAI platform. Matt, tell me a little bit about it.
Yeah, so basically, if you think of it, it's an AI appliance.
Okay.
So basically, we have a validated design built on Cisco, powered by NVIDIA, and we sell it in 16 GPU or 32 GPU or all the way up to 2,000 GPUs. But those are kind of the small, medium, and then custom kind of solutions. We're focused on really two pieces of hardware as far as the GPU goes. We've got the RTX 6K systems, which are going to be great for like video applications. And then you've got the B300s, which are the big boys, and they're going to be used for more of the agentic workflows and some of the higher end use cases. That's the goal. And the idea is, look, this is a completely self-sustaining architecture that you can deploy within about 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
From initial deployment to first tokens being
and complete validation along the way.
Yeah.